This shows some of the branches that were broken off from the windstorm that are in my driveway. You can see here from a different shot, different angle of the driveway, that I had a lot of debris that I piled up into a few piles. You can see the forest itself with a lot of trees torn down. This is the LP gas generator that provides backup for my house with the 2 LP gas bottles that drive it. The genset died 2 days into the storm. I had no power anymore. This is a shot of my amateur radio antenna, and it stayed in place throughout the storm without a problem. My other antennas did just as well. This is a shot into the backyard which shows some of the trees that were blown down, and you can see the root ball on where the wind just completely knocked the whole tree down. The damage was pretty widespread throughout the forest area around my house. This shows more of the damage with all the trees down, and you can see here the force that was used that actually broke this tree. You can see here all the different trees that were knocked down throughout this whole windstorm. This shows the back edge of the house, and you can see that we were blessed that there were no trees or anything that came down that hit the house or hit the backyard. This is a very large tree that went down, and it took 2 or 3 other trees with it when it actually fell. These were old trees that were quite tall, and you can see the root ball at the bottom where it was just pulled out of the ground. This is a tree that fell onto the power line and took out all my power and the internet for a few days. You can see back here how strong the wind was. It just snapped the tree at the base. This is a shot showing more of the damage into the forest area around my house, and they cut up remnants of a tree that fell across my driveway. You can see the wind still whipping the trees up at the top. These are just the breezes that were left over from the windstorm itself. Quite a bit of damage into the forest area around the house. This is a close-up of the remnants of the tree that fell across the driveway that I had to cut up with my chainsaw. This is another shot just showing the general forest and where the transformer is, and you can see all of the trees that are moving around in the pretty stiff winds that are still out there.